Hi everyone, it's Corrie. Today I'm going to show you how to put this French fries candy holder together. So here we are with all of the pieces cut out. These two pieces with the smaller hole are for the iris shutter to sit between. These are what I call the back pieces. Here's the iris shutter and it has a long handle. I'll just show you it opening. And there is a separate tutorial on how to put that together below in the description. These pieces with this larger hole in the centre are what I call the front. We've got some delicate cuts on that really front part there. This is black Cricut craft board that I have cut this piece from. I think it might be possible to do this with vinyl if you struggle to cut this piece, because there are a lot of small pieces, and it's just going to layer on top of this yellow piece like this. If you did use black vinyl, make sure that this yellow piece is a smooth card, and make sure that you use an old piece of transfer tape, and that would stop the yellow piece of card from tearing. I'm going to be using Beacon 3-in-1 glue today and some Zig 2-way glue. It's like a small pen one, and this is double-sided foam tape. So I'm going to start with the front. I'm going to start with this black piece, and as I said, as it's kind of small delicate cuts, I'm going to use the Zig 2-way pen because it is like a felt tip end. I'll show you. It's a little bit worn out, this one. It's been well used. Just to go over these areas here. So I'll just speed it up now and cover all of this in glue. Okay, so just layering the black onto the yellow. Just making sure it's all aligned. As I said, black vinyl is another option for this one if you struggle. Maybe you can't get really good black cardstock that will cut nicely. Okay, just giving it all a squeeze and making sure it's connected. And then I'm going to go in with the Beacon 3-in-1 and attach the glitter area to the front. Obviously you can cut this in whatever colour and whatever cardstock you would like. Just want to point out that you need to make sure that this circle is aligned, because this is where your dome's going to sit, like that. Okay, so that is the front of the candy holder complete now. Just put it to one side to dry off a little bit. As I said, these are two identical pieces with a smaller hole. I've got pen on it for some reason, but you won't see that area. Right, so this is the iris shutter, and we want to put it down on the back part and think about where the arm is going to swing. It's up to you where you put it. I kind of like it on the right hand side, but it could possibly go along the bottom if you wanted it to. So the back is this part with the tabs. I'm sorry, my fingers are covered in glue today. Just going to put glue around that outer edge of the iris shutter and then lay it down on the back piece, just where we were thinking a minute ago. Just thinking about where it's going to swing. And then we need to lift both pieces up and flip it over. As you can see, I've got it completely misaligned there. So you just want to make sure that these two circles are lined up and that you can see the handle. Okay. So you can just do that. Yeah, that looks good to me. Right, the next thing we're going to do is take this double-sided foam tape and we're going to cover this back area but we're going to avoid the area where the arm will swing. So avoid that area there. And I'm just going to speed this up again because it takes me quite a while to do this and it's kind of boring. Okay, back with the Beacon 3-in-1 here and going around that outer circle again and then placing this piece on top. These two pieces are identical, so we just need to align them. At this point, I like to just check that the iris shutter is still working, just to make sure we haven't put any foam or glue in the wrong place and blocked it in any way. Everything seems fine with that. So the next thing is to put the front on. Now, you need to put glue in the circle in the center to attach the dome. You could run like a pencil around there and then put the glue if you wanted. I like to just get the glue and go around it like that and then remove the front piece and then sit the half dome into that glue. This is just my preference. I prefer to do it this way. And if you can leave that to dry for a while, that would be great. I do it all quite quickly. And then the next stage is either to put glue or again double-sided foam tape all over this back area. If you use the double-sided foam tape, you get more of a 3D effect. I'm going to use the glue today, just for ease. It's a lot quicker. Okay, so just going round and giving it all a squeeze, making sure it's all attached. And that is essentially your finished candy holder. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks now, bye.